Duns Beautiful People. Hi, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Duns Beautiful People. So, in this video, I'm super excited. I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. I have received a lot of compliments throughout the years about my eyebrows, and to some extent, people even think that my eyebrows are tattooed on, but they are not. So please pay attention, okay? In this video, I'm going to showcase my secrets to show you guys how I do my eyebrows, okay? All right, my beautiful people. So first, okay, I am just getting my tools ready, which I can't seem to find. It's okay though. Ooh, the life of a busy mom. So first, as you guys saw, I'm just penciling I'm just outlining my real eyebrows with a pencil, okay? Use a pencil. And I use this tool. I don't know the names of them, okay? So y'all just gonna have to, take a picture of it and then look up the name for the tools. So I'm using this to kind of give it that little square shape you see at the end. And I'm going see the difference already after I pencil it in and I use that little square shape. And I'm going back with the spoolie, okay? Yes, this I know the name of it. The spoolie, to just kind of, blend everything in, okay? You need to blend everything in, all right? So first you use your crayon. Oh, another tip regarding crayons. Don't use black, okay? I don't use black. I use dark brown. So use a color that's a bit lighter, okay? Because I feel like when you use a black crayon, it kind of makes you look angry. It gives you that little angry bird look. Look, you see? This is how I get that little square edge in the front. Cute. She likes. But yeah, so use a lighter color crayon, okay? Like dark brown or brown, depending on your skin tone. So yeah, so going back with the spoolie, okay? The spoolie is what kind of fades it away, okay? It makes it faded away. It kind of makes the eyebrow, the crayon looks like it's coming from your skin, okay? It's like your eyebrows are supposed to go from being lighter to being darker, so in the very front it's supposed to look lighter, like a fading tone, and then as you go up it's supposed to look darker, okay? So once I put the spoolie on the bottom of it, you have to put some concealer to kind of clean everything up. You see I'm doing that? And I pay attention to the arch of my eyebrow. And I don't remember the last time. I don't recall the last time I went to the salon to have my eyebrows done. I've always had my eyebrows done. I think the last time I went to the salon to have it done was probably like, I want to say a good 15 years ago. So yeah, so use the concealer. Okay, and then I pluck my eyebrows, if I notice a piece of hair, I pluck them. Like I could pluck them, like every other day. I just pluck it. Yep, and so you do the same thing also for the top. Now, a little tip is that the bottom part, you should use a lighter concealer, and the top part, use a darker concealer, okay? That's more of your tone. So the top concealer matches my skin tone. The bottom one is a bit lighter. And yes, you also do it in the front too, okay? So that you can get that nice defined shape. All right? You see the difference already? Go back with my spoolie to get that nice square kind of look, but it's also faded away. It's not like an angry bird looking thing. You see how it starts lighter in the front and then darker as you go. Okay. I'm a bit of a perfectionist, y'all, when it comes to my hair and my makeup. So that's why I'm late. I'm late and it takes me time. So this, what I'm showing you, it's a little eyebrow gel, okay? It's eyebrow gel. I don't need to use it, but I use it from time to time if I want my eyebrows to really stay flat, to have that like high defining kind of look, okay? For it to just kind of like stay. You might not be able to tell the difference, but when I put the eyebrow gel on, it just makes it stay really nice and steady and smooth. Yeah, so here I go at doing the other one. Okay, so like I said, first you have to use the pencil. You just go along, with the pencil where you're on top of your hair already, or you could give it a different shape. So this pencil is what's gonna give it the shape you want it to be. Okay, and I go back again, you know to kind of give. So I don't use too much pencil, as you guys see, because I don't want it to be too dark, you know what I mean. I don't want it to look too dark. I mean, I want it to look just dark enough. So you don't need to use too much pencil, and as you use your spoolie will blend it in. So I usually just use one pencil mark, like, and then I just go with my spoolie to kind of blend the top part of my eyebrows. Okay. It's a process, y'all, but you're gonna look fabulous the whole day. This, like I said, takes me about 5 minutes to do. Yeah, 5 to 10 minutes. It depends on what else I'm doing while I'm doing my eyebrow. But usually it takes me like 5 to 10 minutes, and it lasts all day. Yay. See how it's kind of like not smooth? So that's why I have to go back with my concealer to kind of smooth everything out. But, I could just go out like that, Some people might, but not here at Duns Beautiful People. Yeah, you see how there's two different tones on my skin. One is lighter, what one is darker regarding concealers. As I mentioned, the lighter part goes on the bottom. Look how I do it. You just go very close to with, you see, that gives you that, you see it? You see that line? It gives you that smooth line. It's very clean. Very, very clean. See? It's like that clean. You could just kind of cleaning everything out. Make it nice and straight. You make that curve nice and straight the way you want it to be. Very lovely. You see? Everything is looking perfect. Yes. So, and then the top part, I do the same thing, but I use a darker tone concealer. So it's like, she does have eyebrows. And for this part, I use a lighter one too. For the middle of my eyebrows, I use a lighter concealer. Okay, I use a lighter concealer. So yeah, she does have eyebrows, okay, as you all see. But this, like with everything else, makeup just enhances everything, okay? And I go in the middle because I want it to kind of look clean. I don't want that unibrow look. Okay. I'm liking it, y'all. And then, of course, I go back with my spoolie again. I just kind of like everything to be nicely blended. Okay. I'm just checking it out. Your eyebrows, as you've heard, they're supposed to be your sister, not your twins. They're supposed to be sisters, not twins. And, of course, I go back again with the gel to kind of make sure everything stays nice and flat. Okay, and look, smooth it out. See how nice that is? It's okay if they don't look identical, y'all. In the beginning, when I first started to do my eyebrows, I used to be like, it has to look perfect, it has to be perfect. It needs to look like sisters, not twins. Okay? Yes. I pray you all have enjoyed this video. Okay, drop me a comment, share, like, subscribe to my channel, follow. And of course, I love you with the love of Jesus Christ. See you in the next video. Dance, beautiful people. Mwah.